4 coppers on a plate. I will use them. So let's give our hands away, everyone. What ingredients do you think next? What ingredients if you can get? Let me give you some clues. The special ingredient is pink. So could it be pink wool? You don't want to eat that. Come on, we'll try again. The special ingredient is pink and it's long and thin. So could it be a pink pen? You don't want to use that in our cooking. Come on, we'll try again for the last time. The special ingredient is pink, it's long and thin, and when it grows in the ground, it has leaves on the end of it. So it must be rhubarb, which is pink at the end, because the rhubarb is our poplar. Let's see if we can find some rhubarb in the I Can Cook garden. Come on, let's go.